Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we will review these Hot Wheels 1:18 scale Batman Tumbler with Batman figure. Yeah, that's Batman. I am Batman. So these particular models made by Hot Wheels, and says Batmobile. I believe I bought these from a collector on a toy show, which doesn't come with a box, so it comes as is, and we will review it. So Hot Wheels made these before, but I guess they stopped making these kind of models, movie cars, and yeah. So as you can see, I'm not sure if it is really 1:18 scale from the original 1:1, but you can see the detail is nice, and yeah, I think you can open this one, like you can move it forward. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can move it inside a little bit. Oh, this one you can remove. I don't know, I forgot. But this one, yeah, there you are. Yeah, you can open it and see the interior. Yeah, I think that's much of it. Just move back and forth like that. In the back is the jet engine with 4 rear wheels, some shocks which is not working, some apps for aerodynamics. It's pretty much the same as the movie car, the one you can see on the movie. I think this was a Dark Knight Batman, and yeah. So here it is. Take a good look. Batman Tumbler from Dark Knight, a movie. I think this one is the one comes with a motorcycle. Yeah, like when the car get damaged, then the motorcycle pops out, and he used that one. Nice. 1:18 scale. So I decided to sell this one because this is the only movie cars on 1:18 scale that I have, so it's no point of me keeping it. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye. Batman.